Good morning, Matthew. Today we'll be working on IEP goals. We will work on goal 1 and 2. Let's begin with goal number 1. Language arts and reading, accepted by committee academic. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Matthew will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb, example, today she is clapping her hands, and change the sentence verbally or written form to state the verb's past tense at a rate of 70% accuracy. You are on objective number 3. By the end of 27 instructional weeks, when given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Matthew will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb. Example, today she's clapping her hands, and change the sentence verbally or written form to state the verb's past tense at a rate of 70% accuracy. We'll work on the first activity. IEP goal number 1. Today I went to play at the park. Yesterday and you will complete this sentence using the past tense. The next sentence, I like to play video games at night. And you will complete the sentence using past tense. Next sentence, my sister plays her violin at night. My sister Next sentence, today I will have a spelling test. Yesterday Last sentence for goal number 1. Today will be a fun day. Yesterday Alright, once you complete it, please take a picture of it and upload it to Teams. Just reply to the conversation on the IEP channel. Make sure you locate it where it says your name. Let's move on to goal number 2. Goal number 2, you will be working on objective number 3. By the end of 27 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Matthew will correctly respond to short answer questions that require him to infer information from the text at a rate of 70% accuracy. Worksheet number 1, Hobbies Inference Worksheet. Have you located it? Good. Let's begin. An inference is a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. It is an educated guess based on an observation and background knowledge. The directions. Read each given sentence below and make an inference about what hobby each person or group of people have. Example A. The people run 3 times a week. Answer. The inference is the people's hobby is that they like to run. You will complete questions 1 through 7. And just like goal number 1, you will take a picture and reply on your IEP channel. If you have any help, feel free to send me a chat, or if you can't locate me, your parents can give me a call.